Hey, what's up, y'all? Just checking in. This is Keith from Daddy DIY Grilling. I just wanted to come on and talk to y'all a little bit. I know now is an interesting time. I know in our country, man, we got economy, and on top of the economy, on top of inflation and the price going up, we now got this furlough situation. So I just wanted to come on here and just talk to you all, man. I know a lot of us have been impacted by furlough over the years, and a lot of us are feeling it now. And it's not just people who may be out of work, man. It's the economy. You know what I mean? Because when people get hit financially, you got second and third order effects, right? Businesses might get impacted because now you don't have the people who have the income to be able to go out and make purchases and do things like that, man. So this is a thing all to itself. For me, I worked for the federal government for nearly 16 years. So as a government employee, I've been impacted by multiple furloughs over the years, or the threat of a furlough. And specifically, I remember the one back in 2018. And that one was a little over a month. We ended up eventually getting paid, but let me tell you this, man. When that paycheck don't come when it's supposed to come, that mortgage is still due, that rent is still due, you know what I'm saying? Bills are still due, family has to eat. So that's a whole thing. And I know a lot of you are being impacted by that right now. So my suggestion to you, man, during this time when it comes to being able to provide for your family and food, look at those inexpensive cuts. If you watch the channel, you know I cook a lot of leg quarters, I cook a lot of chicken, and I do that for a reason. We have a family of 10. So a lot of times, in order to feed our family, we got to get creative, right? And be able to maintain our budget. Leg quarters, chicken legs, chicken thighs. There's nothing wrong with that, man. Those cuts of meat eat very well off the grill. So definitely keep that in mind. You got hot dogs, do what you got to do. That's important. It's funny because I had a family member over the other day, and she was like, y'all sure eat a lot of chicken. I was like, you right, we eat a lot of chicken. Have you seen the price of ground beef lately? Man, prices are crazy now. And another thing you do, you'll see me doing a lot of pulled pork, Boston butts, because whenever those go on sale, those are like cheaper per pound than ground beef, because the price of beef right now is ridiculous. So you see me do a lot of pulled pork. Again, to feed our large family, I'll freeze a lot of it, and we'll pull that out and do spaghetti. We'll do sandwiches, a number of things. So just wanted to come on and just offer those suggestions to you. I know everyone has different situations financially, but just during this time, we're coming up on holiday season. I know a lot of you out there, man, are feeling it. And thoughts and prayers are with you during this time. And just remember that in the midst of all of this, man, God is your provider. I just hope that you trust him to be your provider, that even though the job situation may be this and the other, that we have a provider, the ultimate provider, who loves you, who will take care of you. And those are my thoughts and prayers for everyone through this time, that the Lord will provide. So, man, I love y'all and appreciate y'all. Until the next one, peace.